words come to my mind when someone says Warhorse. First word is intellectualism. Second word is dedication. Every teacher, every facilitator at Warhorse are very highly intellectual, and the content they give to their students itself can tell what kind of quality it entails, and this is purely because of their high intellectual standards. Number two, dedication. Every teacher at Warhorse put their hearts and souls into what they teach, and that is also one of the main reasons why this high quality content can be delivered even to a small child. I was part of two courses conducted by Warhorse. First was Debating 101 and the second was Project Delta. And this Project Delta was also their first Project Delta course. And Debating 101 was their first ever summer camp that they had launched, which makes me one of their first alumni, no backseas. And Project Delta personally has helped me come to this level. And I mean, when choosing Project Delta, I did not go through the guidelines, the content they were going to give. I did not go through anything. I blindly chose Project Delta because I love the teachers who taught in the summer camp called Debating 101. Personally speaking, a lot of things have changed for me after attending the courses by Warhorse. The moment I finished Project Delta, the first ever Project Delta conducted by Warhorse, I started attending MUNs as a delegate, Model United Nations conferences conducted by schools and colleges, and I took part in them as a delegate, as a participant. And for the past 3 to 4 years, I have been judging events. I've been chairing MUNs in Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Bombay and Kolkata. A few of them in Indore and Bhopal also. And I was the assistant cultural secretary for my school last year, and I would like to pay my full credits to Warhorse because they got me into public speaking in the first place, and it was I was told that it was my speeches which got me the post last year in the student council. And also I have opened up my own group of about 100 to 120 participants who take part in weekly workshops that I conduct. I do it for free as a service, and a lot of people have been saying a lot of positive things about the workshops I conduct, and I would again like to thank Warhorse for taking me to this level. To describe the experience I have had with Warhorse, I will just use one word: thrilling. It was a very thrilling ride with Warhorse from the start till the end. They maintained the same thrill equally, and that made it very interesting. And again, a shout out to all the teachers of Warhorse. Without you guys, it is impossible for anybody who attended Warhorse to come up to this level. And personally, I benefited a lot because of Warhorse. I still remember that class where Bharat or Bati, he taught us the rules of procedure used in a MUN conference. It was a very confusing class, but it was because of that particular class I have attended over 40 MUNs, chaired, judged countless MUNs in the pan-India circuit, including a lot of regions from the northern India. And I would like to thank the organization for making me to reach this level. Content at Warhorse is very, very, very different from what is taught at school. School is one teacher standing in front of you who is shouting through the full period and who is teaching you. Half the people sitting in front of her don't understand. Whereas in Warhorse, that is not the case at all. Every single soul in the room understands what is being discussed, and the teachers themselves make the entire difference between teaching at school and teaching at Warhorse. The teachers are like best friends to the students when it comes to Warhorse, and that is exactly why the organization has grown to such a great level. And in school, most of the time, people cram content, they give out content, and it is very different from what is taught at Warhorse. Warhorse, it is It's a lot of heavy content, but it is broken down so beautifully that even the youngest in the class is able to understand very well, and that is something which is missing in school. I'm going to close my eyes and answer this because I'm 100% sure. Yes, I will attend Warhorse again because it has changed my life so much from the time I attended it. It's going to change my life furthermore if I attend it again. So yes, I'm going to attend Warhorse again, and I will recommend to every single person, do attend Warhorse, do attend these sessions and the courses that Warhorse offers, because it is one of the greatest things that I have completed or I have attended over my span of 17 living years.
Meet our little humans of Warhorse who discovered their potential with us. Are you ready for your child to become a better version of themselves? Join us this September at the Academy.